The clinical trials that have been done show the benefits of NT factor,
Right.
and I can tell you because we've been involved in 3 of these clinical trials. And in these 3 clinical trials, one using people with chronic fatigue syndrome, another trial using people that were just aged, 70 years or older, and another one using people that had different diseases. All these different patient groups benefited tremendously. They found that 35 to 45% of their problems with fatigue were eliminated. And these changes were highly statistically significant in the studies. And all of the people that were in the studies wanted to continue on the NT factor after the studies were completed. And this is the first trials that we've ever done where all of the participants wanted to continue on.
So it allows you to actually replace the energy producing parts of the cell and increase the cell's vital energy system in a real way.
In fact, we did one clinical trial on people that were aging, that were in excess of 70 years of age, and they'd lost some of their mitochondrial function. We were able to restore their function to a 30-year-old function, to the function that's present in a 30-year-old.
That's amazing. Over what period of time?
This takes about 60 to 90 days. It's very rapid in terms of supplements, but
Yes.
this is an all-natural process,
Yes.
so it does take time. We're talking about something that has no side effects because they're natural molecules that we need anyway.
Right.
They're not drugs, they're natural nutritional molecules from food.
Right.
So it's an all-natural process, and it utilizes the natural carriers in the body to shuttle the lipids around and replace the damaged lipids and return them out. An NT factor is pristine lipids that are protected. And it's this combination of not only of the correct lipids, that is membrane lipids, not just any lipids, but membrane lipids, along with the protection of those lipids so that they're not damaged during their ingestion and transport into the body to the various cells and the various organelles within cells. So that's very, very important, and that's an important difference between NT factor and other products. Even if you're older, you still have the capacity to repair the membranes as long as you have the proper building blocks to do it, and that's what NT factor provides. Right. All of us want to maintain the function that we have. We don't want to lose it with time, and this is what happens with aging.
So it slows that aging process.
It slows that process down, and people will have more vitality, they'll have less fatigue, they'll feel better, they'll look better, and they'll be able to think better and perform better in practically any aspect of their lives. And so I think it's for that purpose alone.
Yeah, that's
I think
amazing.
it's very important.
That's amazing.